Question number 10. A rectangle has an area of 117 meters square and a width of 9 meter. Find its length. Suppose draw the figure of triangle. In this question, figure is not given. So this is a triangle and its area is equals to 117 meters square and its width is 9 meters. We have to calculate its length. So how to calculate its length? By using the formula of area of rectangle is equals to length times width. Area of rectangle is given, it is 117 meters square. Length is not given, so just write L in place of length, and width is also given, which is 9 meter. 117 meter square divided by 9 meter is equals to length. So 9 ones are 9, 9 13s are 117. Meter cancel with square of meter, so L is equals to 13 meter. This is the length of this rectangle. If you again multiply 13 with 9, you will get area, which is 117 meter square. Question number 11. A trapezium of area 105 centimeter square has parallel sides of length 5 centimeter and 9 centimeter. How far apart are the parallel sides? So trapezium is in this question, figure is not given, so you have to draw this figure. But you know the parallel sides are these sides are parallel. So A is equals to 5 centimeter and B is equals to 9 centimeter. In question they ask for how far apart are the parallel sides. So they are asking about height. So we need to find distance between parallel side and it is height. So area is equals to half times A plus B times H. Area is equals to, this is the formula of area of trapezium, so half times A is 5 centimeter, B is 9 centimeter, and height is not given. Area is given and area is 105 centimeter square. So in place of area, write the value of area, which is 105 centimeter square. 105 centimeter square is equals to half times 9 plus 5 is 14 times h. H is not given. You have to calculate the value of h. Okay. 1 over 2, actually 2 divides here, so when you shift 2 to the left side it multiplies by 105, and 14 multiplies here with 1, so when you shift 14 to the left side it divides by 105 times 2. It is 14. So 14 multiplies here, when you shift it to the left side it divides with 105 times 2, and this whole thing is equals to height. 105 times 2 divided by 14 is 15 centimeter. So the height of this trapezium is 15 centimeter. Question number 12. A kite of area 252 meters square has one diagonal of length 9 meter. Find the length of other diagonal. First sketch the figure of kite. Kite has two diagonals. The longer diagonal is named as B, and the shorter diagonal is named as A. An area is given which is 252 meters square. Area, this is the area of kite, and its one diagonal length is 9 meter. So let's suppose A is equals to 9 meter. Let's suppose A is equals to 9 meters. So we have to calculate the length of diagonal B. So area, formula of area of kite is equals to half times product of diagonals means A times B. Area of kite is given and it is 252 meters square. Half times A is 9 meter and B is unknown, so write B in place of B. 252 meters square times 2 is equals to 9 meters times B. 252 times 2 over 9, or 252 times 2 is 504, divided by 9 meter. 9 meter multiplies here, so when you shift it to the left side it divides with 504 meter square, and B only left here. So meter cancel with square of meter, and 504 divided by 9 is B is equals to 56 meter. So the length of diagonal B is 56 meter.